Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Nike and I'm coming at you with my first wig review. So if you guys want to know the specs on this wig, then stay tuned. So the wig that I will be reviewing is the Empress Lace wig by SENSATIONNEL, and I got the style Trissia and the color Burgundy Wine. So this wig is a hand-tied wig with a deep center part. According to the box, you don't need any tape or glue to apply it, and it's an easy self-application. You can style this as a ponytail or an updo, or you can just wear it as the natural part that it came with. It comes with 3 combs, 2 in the front or on the side, and then 1 in the back, and then of course it comes with the adjustable straps. This is a synthetic wig. So this is what the wig looks like on without me doing any type of maintenance to it. You can wear it just as it is, or you can cut that center part out and wear your hair on top of it as a leave out. So as you can see, this wig is very full, but it does need some work. You cannot wear this wig straight out of the box. The top is a little bit poofy at the top, and I don't like that. So I'm going to go ahead and fix that and also apply a little bit of concealer to the part to make it look a little bit more realistic. This color is great for the fall time. It is the Burgundy Wine color. This is how long it comes down to me. I am about 5 foot even, so it's about 20 inches maybe. So to make your wigs look a little bit more realistic or natural, you will need a flat iron or a curling iron to flatten that part out. And make sure you do not burn yourself. I did burn myself a couple of times, but as you can see with that flat iron, just running it through a couple of times, it definitely made a difference. So this step is crucial. You do not want to skip it. Okay, so don't mind my lighting. I'm not exactly sure what happened in this clip, but here I'm just showing you guys how I use the concealer to make my part look a little bit more natural. The concealer that I use is the LA Pro concealer in the color Fawn. I could have used something a little bit more darker, but this is what I had on hand. You would want to use the color that most match your skin tone. So if you guys do not like this Burgundy Wine color, the wig also comes in 6 other shades. Here I'm showing you guys the hairline. According to the box, it says that you can wear this hair pulled back without any glue or tape, but that's not necessarily true because you will definitely need to glue these sides down if you want to wear it pulled back. So if you do wear it pulled back, you would definitely have to customize the hairline because it does not look natural. I purchased my wig at my local beauty supply store, but if you guys are interested in it and you cannot find it at your local beauty supply store, you can purchase this wig at SAMSBEAUTY.com, and I will leave the link in the description box. Okay, so here you can see the side-by-side comparison of what the wig looked like when I first took it out of the box, and then after I customized it, it took me less than 10 minutes to do this, to flatten the top and add the concealer. So ladies, please take the time to customize your wigs. Do not wear it straight out of the box unless you want people to know that you have on a wig. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys think of this wig. Don't forget to push that notification button so you don't miss out on any of my videos, and go ahead and subscribe.